Hi everyone, this is Maya. I'm the of my network. Welcome back to my channel. And for those that are just coming to this channel, what I do in this channel basically is to just enlighten people on how to make money online and also share the latest information to others. So if you're just joining my platform, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video to other people that seems to have interest in it. And also look down to the description box. Go there, go and join my WhatsApp channel where I drop the latest information about money online, signals of trade, and some other things like that. So please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Today I'm going to talk about MEMELAND. Some of my downline have been disturbing me about this MEMELAND and what is my view on MEMELAND. And some of them are just asking that I should do a video on this MEMELAND. You see something about it, and here I am today. I want to discuss about some things about MEMELAND, my own view, and based on my research. So please take note of this. This thing I'm going to say is based on my own research, and I'm just giving a presumption. I'm just assuming that this thing is going to, go according to my own plan. It's not actually what is going to happen, but based on my own analysis, I'm just presenting this to us. You can accept it, you can decide to accept it, and you may not. But based on my own presumption, here is my own view on MEMELAND. So the problem that many of us have is about this question. The question is MEMELAND real? Is it fake? Is it a scam? Blah 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 and all of that. So I'm here to answer the question. Based on my own perspective, I would say MEMELAND is real and it's also a scam based on my own perception. So and if you ask me why I said that, based on what MEMELAND planned for us, it seems to be going in their own way. For example, now if you ask, then we're asking them that is this token released on exchange? Because many of us were curious that we all saw so many things about MEMELAND. It doesn't seem to be real, so we keep on asking, is this token will be listed? They said yes, and they listed it on one exchange, even though the exchange is not well known. The exchange is not well known, but nevertheless, it's still listed. I get what I'm saying. I'm going to collect our token. That one I don't know, and that's where my no comes from. If you ask me, is MEMELAND real? I'll say no, because we are yet to receive our token. And if at all, if they now give us our token, what are those things that we should expect on this project? What are those things that we should expect, whether as a profit or loss? Based on my own research, these are my own perspective that I'm presenting to us. You can accept it if you like, and you may decide not to accept it. But based on my own research, these are my own result based on my research. So let's just continue. I would say it's not real because they are yet to give us our allocation. And if you remember, today is Friday 27th. So it's going to up to 3 weeks now since we withdraw our token with put in our details, our wallet address, and claim it. So they said after 3 days we are going to start receiving our allocation, and it's almost 3 weeks now. So and I believe that maybe tomorrow and some weeks later everybody will start receiving their allocation in their wallet. Do you get what I'm saying? So what they promise us is that after 3 weeks everybody will start receiving their allocation. So tomorrow we make it 3 weeks precisely. So everybody will start receiving their allocation after 3 weeks. And before we start receiving our allocation, what are those things that we should expect? And based on my research, I keep on hammering on it based on my research. Please, these are the things that you should expect about the allocation, the problem you are going to face. Number one thing I'm going to discuss about the allocation is this. Peradventure, if they give us the allocation, the people that are going to receive the allocation first are those that complete the whole task. And what I mean by the whole task, from the task we said we should perform some simple tasks. You should purchase their token. You get what I'm saying? Some they should, put in ton or something like that. I can't really remember. So many of us complete the tasks, and many didn't fulfill the task. They didn't complete the task. So those that will receive the token first are those that complete the whole task. You get what I'm saying? So those are the people that they will attend to first. That is number one. And then the second batch are those that does not complete the task. You get what I'm saying? So the mega task, those are those that we attend to at the second batch. Another time you should expect on this project is this, that there will be massive dip. There will be massive dip. What I mean massive dip? There are many things that is attached to this project that makes me, bring this analysis that there will be massive dip. Let me show you something about this project. You can see the price is presently at 0.00. But initially, when the coin was first launched, the price started from 0.014. That's the bit I can remember. But you can see the price is continuing to reducing daily upon days. The price is reducing every day, and presently is at 0.003. And let me tell you, it's still going to reduce to 0.007. Are you get what I'm saying? 0.0007. The price is still going to reduce, and the reason is because there are many things that contribute to this dip of this project. Let me just take us a little bit to our project, pump. There are three things, majorly three things that make a project to pump. Number one is that if there is a strong community. Number two, if there is people that are influentials that have money to invest on this project. And number three thing is that if the project is attached to a specific value, for example, if it has a specific purpose for the coin, definitely the project is going to be stable, and then as time goes on, it will increase and keep on pumping. Do you get what I'm saying? So if you look at this project is a meme project. It doesn't really have any value that is attached to it. Number two is that it doesn't have many influencers that is promoting it. So what they rely on is the community. So the reason why you are still seeing this coin at this price is because the community is still supporting it. Immediately they distribute the token to the communities, everybody is going to collect their token and run away. So out of the three qualities that can make a project to pump, it only has one quality, which is the community. And when the community is resolved, everybody is going to collect the project, their tokens and run away. So what I'm telling you in the sense is that the first set of people that are going to receive their tokens are going to be at massive profit than the second batch of the people. I get what I'm saying? Because immediately they receive their token, they are going to run away. You get what I'm saying? Those are the things you should expect. So if you fall to the second batch, make sure you get enough point that you can convert to this meme token. That's it. The number three thing that you should expect is that not everybody is going to receive their allocation. That one is very sure. Not everybody is going to receive the allocation, because many people at the end of the day their token is going to be equivalent to 0.1, some people $1, $2, and how are they going to withdraw it? Definitely they are going to forfeit it. I get what I'm saying. So and this project, it doesn't have hope that is going to increase. That's one thing about the meme project. It doesn't have any hope. Whenever they dip like this, it takes time. Some of them don't even rise again. You get what I'm saying? So, and we don't know the fate of this one. Since it's doing like this at this present time, we don't know the fate. So just put that at the back of your mind. So if you collect your allocation, peradventure if they give it to us, just make sure you withdraw it and run away. That's what I'm going to say. There's no point in keeping it. Withdraw it and run away. You have enough of it, so withdraw it and run away. That's it. And also, I think presently they are giving out some simple tasks to earn more tokens. So you can do that and earn more tokens. If you feel like doing that, you can do it and earn more tokens. So that's all I have for you guys today. So I'm going to recapitulate myself again. There are three things you should expect. Number one is that the allocation is going to be given in two ways. The first set of people that they are going to receive the allocation are the people that complete the whole task. So they now attend to the second part of the people that did the project. We didn't complete it. So that's how the thing is going to go for the first part. And the second thing you should expect is that there'll be massive dip. The token is still going to reduce. The price is going to dip, it's going to reduce, it's still going to, based on my own analysis, it's going to reduce to 0.007 downward. Are you guys what I'm saying? Downward. You expect it's going to dip. And number 3 is that not everybody is going to receive the allocation. So if you fall to that category that you don't have enough points, I'm not discouraging you, but just pray that things work out and change hands. You get what I'm saying? So those are things you should expect. So with this, I hope you have learned 1 or 2 things, and please do subscribe to my channel. Go to my description link. Just go to it. So I drop some link to some other projects that it seems they have features. Do it and engage it. See you in the next video. Thank you so much. God bless you.